if you really want to kiss your girlfriend or boyfriend and you're right there, go for it, have fun.
I don't have a problem with it personally, but I think there should just be a little bit hugs, pecks, not much though. I don't want full-on contact when I'm trying to get to math.
These students are speaking out about their rights when it comes to teen dating.
My mom's obviously not going to let me wear something that's completely outrageous, but she kind of thinks that I should be able to choose what I'm going to wear.
How strict or how lenient should schools and parents be when it comes to young love?
I think it's hard especially for teenagers, to discuss relationships with teachers or administrators or something like that, because they're old.
And just how well prepared are teens to deal with relationship issues?
I had a friend of mine said that her boyfriend broke up with her because they weren't having sex enough.
Experts say that about 1 in 3 high school students will end up in an unhealthy relationship.
That is huge. I mean, your friends, your siblings, and yourself. 1 in 3 people, that is an epidemic.
Can tougher policies make a difference? And what can be done by teens to avoid unhealthy or abusive relationships? Plus, in our student spotlight, we'll tell you how dating violence inspired this Cherry Creek High School senior to take action. At issue, teen dating. Today on Student Voices. Hi, I'm Brian Harper. Welcome to Student Voices, the series that gives young people a chance to speak out about issues they care about. In our studio today, we have teenagers from all around the metro area. It's time to meet the voices.
My name's Nancy, I live in Littleton, and I'm a senior at Chatfield Senior High. I like to play basketball, I like to run, I like to hang out with my friends, I like to sleep in. The dress code at my school is pretty lenient. A lot of girls can get away with almost anything.
My name is Dante. I live in Green Valley Ranch, and I'm a junior at Denver School of the Arts. I love to dance. I love to act. It's better to make all the mistakes now compared to when you're older and married. Yeah, make these mistakes now because it's better than when you're married and nobody signed a prenup.
Yeah, sorry. My name is Becca. I live in Denver, and I'm a junior at University of Denver High School. I know my little brother, he came home one day in 6th grade and said he had a girlfriend, and that totally shocked me.
I'm Jenna, and I'm Jenna, and I live in Inglewood, and I'm a sophomore at Cherry Creek High School. Unhealthy relationships in teens is really common. Some people don't realize it, and when they are in one, they don't do anything about it.